Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have lots and lots of goodies on my desk, and this is the mega card kit for the new release for Festive Treasures. So I'm just going to go through it. I'm going to show you everything. It might take a while because there's a lot. There is a lot here. It is amazing as well. So we have some Christmas washi. Very pretty, very sparkly, stags and Christmas trees, and it's a lovely colour as well, Christmassy. Then we have some of this gorgeous trim, very pretty. Oh, there's bits flicking off all over. Very, very pretty, very sparkly, very Christmassy again. So we have that. Put that to the side, and we have a stamp set. Let me just check this out and show you properly without the glare bits, without it glaring on everything. Get something, you'll be able to see it on this. Oh yes, that's okay. So we have a stamp set. So we have a snowman, we have a Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, we have a Christmas tree, and we have other little bits as well. So you can stamp them out and make a gorgeous little card. So we have them. Let's put them back on there. I'll put everything away once I'm done, otherwise it's going to take longer. I'm stuck. Right, okay. So what else do we have? Lots. So we have like a little embellishment pack. Let me just move this out of the way. Little backing paper, gorgeous. We have lots of things in here. So we have some, what are these called again? Brads. We have some bulb pins. We have lots of flat-backed pearls, and we have these gorgeous gems here. I can't remember what they're called. Starts with a G, I think. But we have that pack there. I'm covered in glitter already. Lovely. Okay, so we have one of these, and of course we get a little tiny, the thinnest roll of tape I've ever seen. I've already put mine in. I think I've done it properly, and it comes out the side here. So you pull it out and you stick it on. So I've already had a little play with that. So we get that. Put it back in the packet. Right. We get some stickers. There's lots of different ones in here. Can't wait to play with all this. I've already had a little play. I'll show you what I made after I've showed you all this. So we get lots and lots of different types of stickers. We've got little ones. We got these, look at them. Merry Christmas, Father Christmas, and a Christmas tree. Beautiful. Put them there. We get a bag of handmade paper flowers, and we also get some foam flowers as well, some pinks, some whites in there. We obviously going to get the Christmas critters. Absolutely brilliant, so cute, wonderful to play with. Then we get like a little type of embellishment pack. So we get wooden bits, so we get like 2 tree type things. We get a snowflake, sparkly snowflake, and we get some holly. Is it holly or ivy? Yeah, it's one of them. And we get Merry Christmas sticker sentiment, and we also get some chipboard stickers as well in there. There's all sorts. Can't believe how big this is and how generous Dawn has been with this mega pack. We also get more flowers. These are more Christmassy traditional colours of poinsettias. There's 4 felt. Not foam, felt flowers. We have is it vellum flowers. We have paper flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Sorry for the glaring. There we go. We have all of them. We have another little baggie, light bag, and we have lace in this one. So we have this gorgeous one, beautiful dark pink colour, and we have this white one as well, absolutely beautiful, and they go really, really well with the pinks and the whites there. What else have we got? Right, I think we're on to the paper now. So we have the paper. I'm going to go through these. Haven't actually looked at these yet, so we're going to go through the, if you hear anything in the background, my daughter and my son are sat there. So we have this, absolutely beautiful, gorgeous Christmas papers. Can never have too many Christmas papers, I say. Oh, isn't that nice? We've got Christmas hats. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Gingerbread men and gingerbread houses. Lovely. Really, really pretty. I'd like to know where she gets all of her papers from. Snowmen, more flourishes and Christmas flowers and little upside down, there we go, and little baubles. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? This is more of the soft pink Christmas, isn't it? Oh, I didn't check to see if them ones were double-sided. These are more thicker. These are paper. None of them are double-sided. And these are more like paper weight. I don't know what the weight is. And then we have, these are thicker, so these are card, and they're all double-sided, I think. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very pretty. What's that on there? Little flowers. Yeah, so you could do two types of Christmas crafting here. So you could do the traditional reds and greens and gold, or you can do pinks and whites. Absolutely beautiful. I love these marble effect ones. All double-sided. Oh, it's got little dogs on. Oh, so cute. Beautiful, beautiful paper pack there. So we have that. And then we have our card stock. I know there's some shiny bits in here, so I'll try not to show my face if I can. Right, so we have some more stickers. So quite an array of different types of stickers there. Lovely. And we also have our words as usual. So we have these ones. And it's the same ones that you get in the Festive Treasures paper pack. So there we go. Lovely. I love them. We have some pearlized paper. One a little bit bigger than the other, so I'm guessing it's not 5 by 5, isn't it? 6 by 6 maybe. 5.5. Yeah, so this one is 5.5 and this one is 6 by 6. So two different types, two different sizes of pearlized paper. Right, so here's the shiny bits. I'm going to point them away. Try not to shine them at you as well. So we have got two different types of silver paper. So we have these ones. Sorry for the glare. My dog's gone nuts because they're shining on the wall. Let's get rid of them as quickly as possible. And then we have this is beautiful. It's like silver metallic. Gorgeous. Good for backing. And then we have two small pieces, which are there's silver and there's gold as well, so you can do some matting and layering with them. And then we have some specialist paper. This is very, very nice. Can you see the texture? Some more textured paper in green, a darker green, a pearlized red. Oh, right, okay, so we have red and we have like a turquoisey, like a dark turquoisey colour, and we have some normal plain card stock. So that is the card stock that you get in the pack. And now we're on to the last bits. Yeah, so we have our cards, And I think there's an envelope missing. I think it's just a little bit of an oversight on Dawn there, but I have got envelopes to fit these little cards. I think, is it 3 by 3? Right, 3.5 by 3.5. Yes, I've got some little envelopes to fit this, so it's okay. If not, if I can't find them, I can always make one. Dead simple. So we have one little card. We have 5 by 7 in cream. We have 3, what type of cards are these called? Is it C6? I think they are. And they're top folding, or you can have them at the side as well. So we get 3 of them with the envelopes as well. Then we get a little one. How cute is that? So this one is, it's just under 3 inches by just over 4 inches. So there we've got a little gorgeous little note card. And then we have 2, I always forget what size these are. Oh, it's nearly 6. So yeah, say 6 by 6, we get 2 of them. So them are the card bases that you get. So it is an absolute amazing kit. Did these go in here or did they go in somewhere else? Do you know, I can't remember. I'm just going to put them in here anyway. So there's lots and lots of Christmas ideas that are flooding through my mind at the moment. Cannot wait to get started. Oh, that's where they go. Oh, yes, it has got a bag. It's got a separate baggie. Right, so we'll put them away. Try not to glare you anymore with the shiny paper. So yeah, there's lots to be getting on with. Lots of inspiration. The papers are just absolutely amazing. I love them. Look at that. Yes, gorgeous. So I will be making lots of Christmas cards. So I'm going to try and use the whole kit to do all of my Christmas card crafting. I probably need more because there's a lot of Christmas cards to be given out. So yeah, this is beautiful. That is what is in the kit, and it is a mega kit. It's absolutely huge. I love this lace. Never have too much lace. I've got loads of it. And we've got all them. Oh, I've just threw the stickers all over. Yes. Right, I was going to show you something that I've made, haven't I? Right, I'll get to that in a minute, I promise. Let me just put these back in here so I don't lose them. And she has many, many more goodies in her Etsy shop. So her Etsy will be linked in the description box below, so please go over and check that out, along with all the design team members that have the kit. So please go and check them out as well. You will not be sorry. They're absolutely amazing crafters and very inspirational. Right, let me show you what I've made. And I used like no, it wasn't out of there. Yeah, there was a wooden bit out of there that I used. And what else was it? I keep losing things. Here we go. And out of this like little embellishment bag as well, and a sticker. So I have made a little dangle. What? How cute is that? So I use the pearls. It's like a key with a hole in it. So what I did is there was a wooden green reef in this pack here. So I just stuck that on. I got one of the stickers that had pink in and stuck that on the back. So it's like that. And I went over it with, I can't remember what it's called, glossy accents, just to give it that nice shine on it. I mean, you could make this, I'm covered in glitter, you could make this into a necklace or even a key ring, and you know, it'd be an absolutely gorgeous present to give anybody at Christmas. I just think that is so cute, and I couldn't wait to make it, so unfortunately there's no process video. So there we are, there we have it. This is the mega kit, Festive Treasures. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below, so please go and check them out, because amazing, absolutely amazing. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to go and work on this, and there will be lots more videos to come, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of all these fabulous goodies. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.